Hello out there in YouTube land. This is Nicole coming to do a voiceover because I wanted to tell you guys why we had to put another cabinet in the kitchen. The coffee bar was a little bit too big, so I went and got another cabinet to put in the kitchen. Ishmael had to cut the granite, so you will see all that, and the rest will be self-explanatory. Be blessed, you guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you shortly. Okay, this is a cabinet that I picked up from Home Depot. And it's not attached, but I have painted it on the front. And then I'm going to paint the sides of it. I'm going to make it look like that on this side. Okay, make it look like, I already know said that. But while we here, we just widen this. I'm gonna widen this wall a little bit. And then I'm gonna put a piece of 2x4 right there. And then I'm gonna put the stuff over it. And then I'm gonna proceed to bring this down to the countertop. So yeah. That's what we doing. But we finna attach this. And if I can find my stand, y'all can watch me do that. Okay, before it get loud in here, y'all look creaky. Before it get loud in here, I think I already done told y'all what I was gonna do. Excuse the hair. It's a mess, but the whole kitchen is a mess because we're doing like a little bit of itsy bitsy renovations. So, as I told you, I was gonna bring this out, and I'm just gonna use the wood that was on that other wall to bring this stuff out like that. Try to make sure everything is flushed. So when it comes time to when it comes time to put the drywall up, everything will look like, everything will be flushed. So we're just gonna put this over there when we get changed. When we get done. Got the board. how that is looking. Okay, the cabin has been screwed and we cut it. We cut it down. How many inches? We cut it down an inch because it was too out there. So we brought it back in a little bit, and this is how it's gonna look. I think it looked much better than the first clip that I showed you guys. So it has been screwed, everything has been painted. Everything is opening. I think I got, excuse the mess. I think I already have the hardware for this cabinet because some of the, I still had hardware left. So yeah. That's the little project. We gotta make sure once this get glued down, then I'll put the tile up. No, I won't. I gotta make sure the man could get back there to do the wiring, and then the tile will go up. Yeah, but that's the little 30-minute project.